This is a notice to the Postmaster and Inspector General. You have a serious problem here in Mar Vista. A serious problem in Mar Vista. I was in there for 2 hours. I was handling other mail while I was waiting for your line to diminish so I could buy a couple of money orders. You already lost and have refused to repay $300. That's going to give me a P.O. box for the next 5 years for that fuck up alone. And this station, everybody working this afternoon on Saturday, August, what is it, the 15th, who refused me service and still let these fucking monkeys stay in there, and it's now 5:45, and I was thrown out at 5:30 when I had been here in line. Been here for 2 hours working on stuff and let one of the agents come out and know that I needed to buy money orders before I left, but the bitch behind the counter flat out refused and said I wasn't here when I had been here. I got here around 4 o'clock, as your video will reflect, and you're going to pay for that time also, and a whole shitload of other identity theft and lost mail over the last 4 decades that you've never answered for and you never paid, and that the FBI told me was being rerouted to a holding station in New York, according to Ed Muchmore at DOJ. Enough to fill a fucking football stadium of stuff, of television, film, documents, reels, original audio and videotapes and stuff, inventions, technologies, stuff you guys have been snagging for me from around the world for years. You're paying for that too. So, how you guys want to settle up this multi-billion-dollar lawsuit that's going to be smacking you right in the fucking ass? You should get in touch with Uncle Kurt quickly, because the longer you let this wait, the more it's going to fester, and the more it festers, the more it's going to cost the post office and the U.S. government. And I can guarantee, if I have to take this to an international court, you're going to look like laughing fucking bozo stocks. So you might want to settle this one out of court. But handle it however the fuck you want, because you usually will anyway. But at the end of the day, the phoenix will rise from the ashes and crush your ass if you keep fucking with me. And who are these bozo kids who are getting to stay on in here while I was threatened and cops were called that I was staying and being a problem, while these jackasses are still in here doing shit? Whoa. Yeah, it's almost 6. I'm going to see everybody in federal court, including those kids, so you're going to have to give me their identity, because they're going to be witnesses in this case, along with every fucking federal employee that's working and gave me shit today. Oh, you are going to pay heavily for this one. You are going to pay very heavily for this one. Yeah, get ready, because here I come.